guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's leave, guys. I'm very late. Let's leave for my date. Hey guys, as we gather with my friends for lunch, my friend has something to ask the girls. So please wait and see and listen to her what she has to ask to the girls. So Mina, she has already asked me, so that is why I record.
Okay, ladies, a question that I'd like you to answer. Please open the box. So tell me what you think.
You look cute. Not more than Makoti.
Today I have to go thrifting in my stores that I normally visit. I am looking for the ginger chairs for my decoration at home. I know the store is not a second-hand shop. It is a new shop where you get new stuff. But guys, they have lovely stuff in this shop. They have lovely stuff. So those are the jars that I'm looking for. Those blue and white jars. So I'm doing a collection of that. I found a lot of things that I like in the store, but I didn't buy because I was still looking. So from here I'll move to another shop of mine, another thrift store of mine, and go and see what they have there as well.
This is very nice.
The lighting is too much. Guys, my second store is my thrift shop where I normally go and thrift or whatever that I want. I normally buy here. So when I got here, I saw that Mkulu is the owner. I normally call him Mkulu. He has Persian carpets, guys. He has very beautiful Persian carpets, and they have the jars that I was looking for. So between this store and the other one that I went to, I wanted to compare the prices and see if the ginger jars that I'm looking for are the same price. So I have seen that Umkulu are a little bit lesser than where I got them from the first shop. So yeah, here they have everything and anything and everything. It's a very nice shop where you can get anything you want. Another day, today is Sunday. After church, I have decided to cook what we will be eating. Guys, we are starting a healthy journey at home. So we are cutting all the starch and carbs. So we will eat protein and try to balance here and there. But the papa and the rice, we are cutting on those ones. So I have decided to do today chicken, spinach, butternut, and I think sweet corn. So you will see my plate when I'm done cooking. Please.